Thank you, Lord, for everything. There's not enough words to describe all that you've done to get me here. I thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for everything. My celebration is bigger than the lights, bigger than the songs. I celebrate the love that you gave so freely to save and restore me back to God. I thank you.